Alright guys, today I'm going to replace the 3rd gen Toyota Prius halogen bulb to LED lights. We were fortunate to receive this LED light from LASFIT. This works on all 2010 to 2015 Toyota Prius. Alright guys, just letting you know, the interior door light, the map light, and the vanity light uses T10 LED bulb. The dome light and the luggage compartment light uses a different type of bulb, so make sure you remove it, measure it, and make sure you get the right one for your bulb. It could be 31, could be 28. The dome light, when I removed it, it was 32 millimeter, but when I tried to insert it, it didn't fit. So I ended up using the 28 millimeter bulb, and it fit properly. The luggage compartment, when I removed it, it was 28 millimeter, but when I tried with the 28 millimeter, it kind of almost didn't want to fit, so I kind of had to squeeze it in there, and it actually worked. The 31 was too long for the dome light, so I ended up not using it, and I just end up using the 28 millimeter. I'm going to start with the interior door light. This works on both the driver's side and the passenger side. You want to remove the cover by prying on the right side, and once it comes out like this, disconnect from the harness. Then you're going to have to remove the cover that's covering the light bulb by prying the bottom piece right here up, and then you're going to pull and remove. Now to get this bulb out, you need a flathead screwdriver. You're going to stick behind here and just pry it out. And then it falls off. Then you're going to put in your LED light bulb. Then your cover. First you want to angle the front in first, and then you snap the back. That's just like that. Now plug in your harness and do the same for the passenger side. To get to the vanity light, you're gonna have to pry the leftmost side of the cover. Make sure you got a twist and turn on this. Once the bulb is exposed, you just pull it out. And then you insert your LED light bulb. Before closing it, you want to check that it works. And it does. Now you want to put it back together. Now do the same for the passenger side. To replace the map bulb, you just remove this cover by pulling it out. And then remove the bulb by pulling down. And then insert the LED bulb. There you go. Now do the same for the passenger side. For the dome light, there's 2 slots right here. You can insert your pocket screwdriver. Make sure be careful not to scratch this part. Just pry it out and remove the cover. And here is the bulb. It's held on by a clip right here. Now to remove the bulb, you press on this hinge and it'll fall out. Now you're gonna get your 28 millimeter dome light bulb and insert it. Make sure it works. And close it. And it snaps back in like that. Next, we're going to replace the luggage compartment. You're going to pry on the left side. Remove the harness. And then to remove the cover, I just open each end of the side. And it comes off like that. And then to release the bulb, you press down right here. And it comes off. Just insert it at one end. I usually insert at the prong end right here, and then press down. Make sure to turn the LED pointing towards the cover so that it will shine out there, just like that. Now put on the cover, plug back in the harness and insert it back into its hole. That's it guys for the LED install. Make sure to keep your halogen bulb as a backup, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and thanks to LASFIT